Hello! Welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Kasi unfortunately, hindi ko naman po talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. Pero okay lang yun. May mga next readings pa tayo. If you want, pwede ka naman magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. And sa akin, pwede rin, Madam, space, P, as in princess, and then space pa sa dulo. Lagay mo na lang yung space sa dulo kasi para mas madali mo siyang ma-search sa Facebook. Meron din naman po akong um, email or Gmail, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Diyan ka pwede mag-inquire ng personal reading. Meron akong video call, palm reading, astrological reading. Feel free na lang na mag-inquire at saka pwede kang mag-question doon sa mga readings na yun. And, yeah, tarot reading meron din. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Palm tree is here. Well, nakikita natin dito. I feel like yung iba sa inyo more on ang concentration mo is yourself. Golden mirror is here. Palm tree, stability mo to. Pwedeng ang daming pag-uusap na nangyayari or nagaganap regarding sa sa mga tao sa paligid mo regarding sa stability mo. Yeah. And growth. Yan, nakakita tayo. And you are actually very flexible na tao. Nakikita natin na kaya mong makibagay, kaya mong makisama, kaya mong, alam mo yung gagawain ngayon sa sarili mo or ang dapat mong gawain para magkaroon ng growth ngayon sa buhay mo. Wait lang guys. Okay, I'm back. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ang focus mo is more on online conversation, online growth. Ayan. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, meron kang dapat ayusin or gawain online na very, something na pwede may kinalaman sa pera mo. Or maybe important documents na kailangan mo lakarin online. This could be your reading. Meron na tayong nagaganap na Mercury retrograde ngayon. So, be careful on buying stuff na like something to do with technology. Hindi yan advisable ngayon. Yung pagbili ng mga gamit or bagay na may kinalaman sa technology. Like buying new cellphone or etc. Kasi pwedeng may magkaroon ng problem. During retrograde is not that good time for that. So, mga next month, okay naman na siya. Mga mid or starting mid or, papuntang end na ng Mas maganda mga end ng Clock is here. So, this is a person na pwedeng trying to heal from that like issue regarding a third party situation. Pwedeng itong taong to nagkaroon siya ng person na pinagselosan or this person could be it could be in a relationship or partnership dito sa person na to, wedding rings, and pwedeng nakita niya or pwedeng ikaw may nakakausap kang someone maybe through online, I don't know, but with a mirror, itong person to is trying to focus sa kanyang sarili, but I feel like there's a promise dito sa person na ito na I don't know, yung iba sa inyo you could be in a relationship or yung iba this could be a friend, pero nakakita na pagsiselos dito sa third person na to, and ngayon is nasa progress or nasa proseso siya ng healing. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng naging matagal na yung connection, pagkakakilanlan ninyo ng person na ito. Okay, so ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Cassette is here. By the way, kung ayaw mo ng klase ng aking pagre-read, may ibang video kami yung cards yung pinapakita. Soulmate is here. Or if you want, pwede ka naman mag-next video. Soulmate and I like you. And why am I doing this? Yung iba tinatanong kasi bakit face ko yung pinapakita ko. Wala, depende sa kung ano yung feel kong reading. And at the same time, of course, I'm promoting yung mga products namin. This one is available sa aming TikTok shop, Unipri, UNIPRI. Madalang naman ako mag-promote, but yeah. The golden mirror is here, lightning, and hand of cards. The bottom of the deck is the hammer. Whew. Parang may nakukuha kong energy na kung okay sana kung mas mahaba to or what. This one is adjustable, by the way, yung mga necklace. Kasi, soulmate, and I like you. I feel like some of you may mga paulit-ulit na pangyayari, like kind of pattern pagdating sa soulmate energy, and you like this person. Some of you, yeah, you could be guilty pagdating dun sa flirting, maybe with regards to the person na feeling mo soulmate mo or what. And this person is parang may mga times na paulit-ulit na naaalala or naiisip mo itong person na to. The golden mirror, ang emotion ng person nakakonect mo is I feel like very narcissist. Narcissist kasi parang alam niya kung paano kanya paiikutin. Lightning is here, so pwedeng may mga big transformation na nangyayari sa kanya ngayon. And the hand of cards, I feel like itong person na to is hindi niya lang pinapakita kung paano siya inaayos or binubuo itong sarili niya. Or pwede pinapakita niya, pero this could be a karma or karmic relationship kasi pwedeng minsan na naging narcissist itong person na to, or yung iba until now there's this narcissistic behavior mula dito sa taong to. Honestly, wala tayong nakuhang emotions. Tell me more, ano yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa? Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. This is your emotion. You do have your not enough. So, kung ano man yung mga pinapakita or ginagawa ng person na to, you feel like it's not enough. And, or, pwedeng, some of you, you are jealous, or someone here is jealous, may pagsiselos. And, I feel like there's fear or takot na parang, this relationship is, especially the chaser. So, alam mo naman kung sino yung chaser or naghahabol sa inyong dalawa ng person na to. So, the person na naghahabol is may kinakatakutan. Emotions. Tell me more about the emotions. You do have your healing heart. So, both of you could be healing. And yung iba could be you healing with regards to your stability. Anyway, I'm just alone. Pero parang may nakita kong daga. And this could be your reading. Maybe you are born year of the rat, or your person, or maybe something caught your attention na parang maybe habang nanonood ka ng video may nakita kang something to do with mouse, or maybe you're wearing a mouse shirt kasi I'm wearing a cat shirt, diba? Anyway, this could be a reading. What will happen in the near future? In the near future for the both of you. In the near future para sa inyong dalawa, for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Axe is here, love. Tell me more. Heart with a key, and coffee cup, hand, no, hindi ito. Date is here. Separation, and the chaser. Well, I feel like your attraction is more on nakafocus sa someone new. And guys, bibigyan kita ng advice. Like, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, this new person, there's a possibility na kung ano man yung paghahabol na ginagawa nitong past na ito, pwedeng maging same or almost the same ang maging mangyari dito sa new person na to. Kung wala pa, there's someone na paparating which is a new person na pwedeng maghabol din sa'yo. And because maybe you are magnetic, you are someone na parang wala kang mahahanap na katulad mo, parang ganun kind of person. And that's why hindi mo maiwasan na talaga may mga tao maghahabol at maghahabol sa'yo. At ito yun, the past, and there's this new person. And I feel like in the near future, you do have your breakup, separation, stopping the pattern, silent treatment, abandonment, with regards sa person na pwedeng nagpapakita ng love sa'yo or minamahal ka or minamahal mo. I don't know. Yung iba, ikaw nagmamahal. So, I feel like inaabandon mo or hindi ka nakikipag-connect, communicate dito sa person that you really do love. Maybe because you're focusing on new beginnings, new person, and yourself. And then, yung iba naman, this could be a person na nagmamahal sa'yo pero you are really cutting off. Big transformation pagdating sa'yo. The person that you're dealing with is heart with a key. So, pwedeng, I feel like may mga i-open up itong person na ito. The chaser. I mean, I can say this person is the chaser. Yung chaser, may mga bagay siyang i-open sa'yo, which is with the coffee cup, mahaba-habang usapan to. And then your future, so yung mga i-open up siya sa'yo. Tell me more. Ano yung mga bagay na i-open up na? Okay. Yeah, this is a karmic relationship. Cupid's arrow. This person is going to open up about maybe something to do with the twin flame or soulmate kind of energy. Or regarding sa kaaway or kalaban niya, kakompetisyon niya dito sa connection na tuloy. Pwedeng this person is going to ask question regarding kay ganito, regarding kay ganyan. Makikiramdam siya. Kung hindi man literal na question, yung gagawin niya, makikiramdam siya. Okay? Parang, alam mo, nakikiramdam siya. Do you still love the person or do you love this person? Ganto, ganyan. And then, uhulihin ka niya or babasahin niya yung mga words mo kung may pagtingin ka ba or may pagkagusto ka pa dito sa person na tinutukoy niya. But this person is really jealous kasi nagpapakita talaga siya ng mga message na nagpapakita kung gaano siya ka-insecure or kaselos dito sa taong ito or mga taong ito. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Sana nagustuhan mo yung reading. I love you all. And sana mag-comment ka sa baba kasi sobrang na-appreciate ko yung comment mo. I love you and bye-bye.